Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Chilli Nutri. First, you'll want to soak your soya granules in hot water to rehydrate them, which takes about 15 minutes. While they soak, prepare your vegetables and spices. Next, we'll create a rich tomato and onion base, ensuring all the flavors meld perfectly. Finally, we'll combine everything and cook it until the Nutri is tender and bursting with flavor. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of soya granules, which are the star of our dish. For the aromatic base, prepare 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 1 green chili for a touch of heat. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of ginger-garlic paste to enhance the flavor. We'll also use 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala for that authentic taste. Let's get cooking. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, incorporate the ginger-garlic paste and green chili, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in the chopped tomatoes along with all your powdered spices, cooking until the oil begins to separate from the mixture, indicating a well-cooked base. Now for the final steps. Thoroughly drain and squeeze out any excess water from your soaked soya granules. Add these rehydrated granules to the pan with your flavorful base and mix everything together until well combined. Continue to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the delicious flavors to infuse into the Nutri. Garnish generously with fresh coriander and serve your hot Chilli Nutri with pav, roti, or rice for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.